Sunlight bouncing off the waves can turn a cheap screen into a useless mirror in a heartbeat. I have been out there when you are desperately squinting just to see where the reef starts, while the glare tries to blind you. That is the first thing that hits you when you mount this new 9-inch marine display on your console. It does not wash out at all. The colors stay sharp and the lines stay crisp, even when the midday sun is at its absolute brightest. Most of us have dealt with gear that looks great in a climate-controlled store, but fails the second it touches salt water and real humidity. This unit feels different the moment you pull it out of the box. It has that heavy, rugged build that tells you it can handle a bit of spray without shorting out or glitching. You get it bolted down with a few simple points, and the mounting process is remarkably fast. The power hooks up without any complex wiring headaches that usually require a professional. Then you fire it up. Usually, these high-end navigation tools feel like they were programmed by software engineers who never actually spent a day on a boat. You end up digging through 20 confusing menus just to find your depth or change a simple waypoint. Not here. The interface is clean and snappy. It feels like it was built for a captain who has one hand on the wheel and needs critical information in a split second. It boots up without stalling. There is no frustrating lag when you swipe across the map to see what is ahead of you. That speed is vital when you are navigating tricky channels or keeping an eye on your position in rough chop. I spent a full day testing how it handles thermal pressure. Most electronics start to throttle or shut down when they sit in direct sunlight for 6 or 7 hours. This one stayed cool to the touch throughout the entire trip. It managed the power draw perfectly without any signs of stress. You do not want to be miles offshore and have your primary map go black because it got a little too warm under the sun. That reliability is what separates a cheap gadget from a real navigation partner. Now, people always ask if these premium units are actually worth the money or if it is all just marketing. They see the price tag and wonder why they cannot just use a smartphone with an app. If you are just floating on a calm pond on a Saturday, then sure, a phone is probably enough for you. But for anyone going offshore or dealing with unpredictable coastal weather, you need a dedicated system that will not quit. This display gives you that confidence. It provides accurate GPS hits every single time. The charts are incredibly detailed and show you exactly what is hiding under the hull. It integrates with your other marine electronics, so it becomes the actual brain of the entire boat. It is not just a screen. It is a piece of safety equipment that helps you get home. If you are a casual day tripper, this might be more than you need. You do not need this level of power for a quick cruise to a local sandbar. But if you take your fishing or your long-distance cruising seriously, this is an investment that pays off in total peace of mind. You stop worrying about the tech and start focusing on the actual water. It delivers exactly what it promises without any of the fluff. It is a robust, reliable tool that actually earns its spot on your dashboard every single time you head out. You want your sonar to be fast and your mapping to be seamless. This unit bridges that gap perfectly. It handles the data-heavy tasks without breaking a sweat. It feels like a genuine upgrade for anyone tired of fighting with outdated or sluggish hardware.